In this video, we'll see how to set up a class website using Google Sites. This type of website is a great way to share information and updates with students and families. Sites can be accessed through the app launcher or by going to sites.google.com. At the moment, this is the classic Sites interface, but I'll click New Google Sites on the left for the latest version. If you're used to the previous interface, you can click here. If you have any sites set up, they'll be listed here. To create a new site, click the plus icon. You can choose a site theme by clicking here. There are several templates to choose from, and for each you can set colors and fonts. This page will be the home page of my new site. To change the title, I'll double-click in this box and enter the new title. Now I can start filling in this page. I'll click Insert and add a text box for this class. I'll change the text style here and center it. Each piece that I add to my page is a section. For each section, I can use this icon to change its properties. For example, I can add a background to this section or make the background an image. I can drag the edges of the text box to change its size, or I can drag the text box to a new spot. I can also insert images. I'll do a Google search and place this image here. Then, below the class name, I'll add a divider, then add a new text box with a quote. Now I want to add the class calendar to this page. I'll choose Calendar, and all of the calendars I've set up appear here. After I insert the correct calendar, I can adjust its size, and if I double-click the calendar, I can edit its settings. I can also change the view mode from agenda to week or month. If I have a Google Classroom set up for this class, any assignments I post for that class will appear here. Now I want to add a second page to my site, which will contain a class survey I've already set up in Google Forms. I'll click Pages, add a new page, and title it Survey. Any page on Sites can contain any other Google element, such as a doc, slides, sheets, forms, or charts. I'll click Insert, then Forms, and find and insert the one I want. Once inserted, the form takes up more than its allotted section window, but students can scroll once they're viewing the form online. To see what this site will look like once published, I can click the Preview icon. And before I publish the site, I'll click here to change the name of the site. When I'm ready to share the site, I'll click the Share icon. As with other Google tools, I can share with a group or individuals and specify how much control various people have over the site in terms of editing or viewing. Then I'll click Publish. I can choose the site's web address, and whatever I enter here will be appended to my default Google Sites URL after the slash. I can also set user access from here. Once published, to distribute the site link to my students and their families, I'll click the link icon, which displays the site URL. I can copy that link by clicking here. I can also click Publish Settings to change the URL, view the site, or unpublish. I can return to my main sites page by clicking here. I can rename or remove a site, or click to open it for editing. Google Sites are great for students as well. For example, a student can create pages featuring their writing projects or artwork.